Hello Internet, how are you doing? My name is Brian, if you are new here, and today we are going to be doing something that I wanted to do for a while on my channel, and that is give you guys a room tour. But this is not just your typical room tour, no. We are also going to be focusing on all the tech that I use in my room as well. So take this as kind of a room tour slash tech tour, but kind of in the same video, you know what I mean? So I'm going to be showing you guys all the stuff that I have in my room, but I'm also going to be showing you guys all the cool tech stuff that I also have in my room as well. So I am very excited for this video. Let's jump right into my room tour. And welcome to where all the magic happens. Here is my room tour for 2025. And now I'm going to shut up and let my room kind of speak for itself. So now that you've kind of seen everything in my room, now let's get into actually the different sections of my room and the tech that I use in those sections. My desk is my favorite part of my room, so let's start with my desk. Here is my decorations I have above my desk. I have a built-in board with a bunch of my phone cases that I love so much, along with a Taylor Swift record vinyl clock, which is super cool, and my lights that I have in my room all the time. There is my calendar, and I just love having all this really cool stuff above my desk. So that's actually where I film all my YouTube videos, if you have not noticed. And I have like this random scenery right there and a bunch of my Polaroids on my wall with these really cool hooks that I believe I got from Target or something. On my desk itself, I have this really cool matrix pixel art, which we'll talk about a little bit later, along with my keyboard, my magic mouse, my magic keyboard, and some stuff on top of my iMac stand. And then I have my studio display, along with my microphone, and just some other cool desk accessories, and like some pens, and a really cool smiley face clock that doesn't really work anymore. And yeah, then there is my horrible desk chair that squeaks in every single one of my videos. We don't talk about her. And here's just kind of how my desk looks as a whole. First item of tech on my desk is this really cool pixel display that I got from Walmart. It's from this Mercury brand. It's got a really cool app that allows you to load a bunch of art onto it, and you can do a bunch of really cool effects with it. It's super cool. You can even create your own artwork on here, which is just super neat as well, and it just really allows you to have some really cool personality onto your desk. I'm also going to try to link everything that I have in my room on my Amazon storefront to my best of my ability, because some of the stuff I did not get off of Amazon if you guys want to shop it. Moving on, we have both my iPad and my MacBook Pro. Here's my iPad Pro right here. I absolutely love my iPad Pro so much. I use it pretty much every day on a daily basis to plan out my content, to make my thumbnails, to draw on it. It's definitely just one of my most versatile tools on my desk. And now talking about my MacBook Pro, I've talked so much in length about this MacBook Pro on my YouTube channel. It is the brains of my channel. It helps edit all my videos. I really use it all the freaking time for that, even with playing Sims. I have the MacBook Pro 2023 edition M3 Max. She's a dream. She's an icon. She's a legend, and I love using her every single day. Now the rest of the deck tech, of course, we have my magic keyboard right there, and then I have a little desk radio, which I never really use. It's just for aesthetics, along with some random stationery. And then I have this MagSafe charger that I use all the freaking time on my desk. Then I have this really cool boogie board type thing. It's one of those really weird boards that actually is electronic and you can actually erase it from. I got that from Target a long time ago. And then I have my blue Yeti microphone, which I'm actually using right now to record Say Hi World. And then right next to it, I have this amazing camera arm that attaches directly right to my desk, so I can have some awesome camera angles with both my phone and my camera. And right here I have this awesome rechargeable camera light that has different color settings, so it can be cool or warm toned. It is absolutely iconic and essential for filming content. On my desk I have this detachable drawer with a bunch of my content essentials, including tripods, cables, SSDs, and this is kind of just stuff that I use on a daily basis, including an iPod, because apparently I have an iPod in my drawer. USB-C cables galore. I have my little iPhone video monitor, which is really helpful for me filming iPhone videos with my back camera, along with my wireless lavalier mic. It's honestly not that good, so I don't really recommend it, but hey, it's there. I use it for now in there, and just a bunch of shit that I use on a daily basis. The final thing I want to highlight on my desk is my Apple Studio display. This connects directly to my MacBook, and it is a dream. I love this screen so much. It is so expensive, but worth every single penny. Let's move on to the next section. Let's talk about my TV and dresser setup. So here are the decorations that are above my TV. Some pretty cute art pieces, including a quote that says, "I don't need inspiration, I just need coffee." That is my motto every single day because I need coffee. Here is everything that's on my dresser. I have some decorative pieces along with some tech, which we'll get into in a little bit. I just want to show you guys how this all looks. It looks pretty cool. There is my HomePod and my Apple TV along with my Switch, along with my Blu-ray player and my Xbox Series X. Then I have my Instax camera and Instax printer, along with some Harry Potter merch, along with my Harry Potter wand, my Eras Tour merch right there, and then a sunlight, and there's a normal lamp. And then my Big Mama 48-inch LG OLED TV, which is a beautiful TV. I absolutely love it so freaking much. Here's my Xbox controller, Xbox right there. I love that. It's a great console. Then I have my remote to my lights that are right above my desk, and I love to change the colors constantly for different videos. I love the purple the best. Then there is my Nintendo Switch OLED. I just got the Switch 2. I filmed this before I got the Switch 2, but there it is. I have it docked right there. There's the Apple TV and my HomePod Mini. I talked about those in my Apple ecosystem videos. Those are great pieces of tech. I love them so much. This is my Instax Mini 7 Plus. I got this for Christmas one year, and I use it from time to time. It's a very nice camera. I love having Polaroid and love having physical images. And basically here I'm just gonna take a picture of myself, say cheese. This is how it prints out. It prints out right from the top. It's very nice. And then my Instax Mini Link printer is a game changer. I love printing out photos for either people's birthdays or for holidays, or just printing out pictures in general. Is just so much fun. And you can print out any photo from your camera library. It's super easy. It takes a little bit of time to print, and then it comes out right out of the top of the camera. Let's move on to my bed and nightstand tech and my room tour. So here's my bed. I have a full-size mattress with a comforter set, a pride flag, and a chromatica flag. I love Lady Gaga so much. It's just a nice bed. And I have some hue lights that are actually right behind my bed. They are not glued to anything, so they kind of just flop around. I absolutely love hue lights. I'll insert a little demonstration of hue lights right here, but hue lights are absolutely amazing. I have hue lights literally all throughout my room. All my lampshades that you've seen here have my hue lights. And don't look at my cable management down there. It's disgusting. On top of my nightstand, I actually have a MagSafe charger that charges my iPhone, my AirPods, and my Apple Watch all together in one unit. Here's my nightstand, which I have a bunch of tech on there. As you can see, I have my AirPods Max there. I have my iPad there. I just have a bunch of tech in this little space. But here is my iPad mini running iPadOS 26. And as you can see, it's very, very laggy with my Typecase mini keyboard case for my iPad mini. I've made TikToks about it. It's cute, it's purple, it's gorgeous, and it spins like this, which is just so convenient. And yeah, I absolutely love my iPad mini. It's one of my favorite iPads, and iPadOS 26 makes it so much more game changing. Last but not least, let's talk about my vinyl station / bookshelf, all the tech on there. There is my entire vinyl collection right there. I made a vinyl collection video last year, so be sure to watch that. And then I have a little mini fridge along with a humidifier and some fabric boxes that contain a lot of stuff. And here is my record player. It is a Crosley record player. I don't know exactly the model. I got this probably 7 years ago at this point, with some speakers included. Right under my little mini fridge right here, I have a bunch of tech in one of my little fabric boxes right here. I just have a bunch of old phones, some stuff I don't use all the time, some gaming headsets, some accessories, some cases. I just keep a bunch of that stuff right there in case I do want to use it from time to time. I have quick access to it right there. And here's some stuff on top of my bookshelf, along with a diffuser and water fountain and just some cute stuff. And here's a little peek into my physical media collection. I have some books there along with some DVDs, along with some Switch games and CDs, along with all of my Apple boxes and a bunch of DVDs right behind it. And yeah, guys, that officially concludes my tech room tour. Well, guys, that was a lot of tech to talk about, and honestly such a little bit of time, but I hope you guys really did enjoy my room tour tech edition, if you will. This was a lot of fun to make and a lot of fun to talk to you guys about all the cool tech that I use in my room on a daily basis. I want to tell you guys about one new thing about my channel, and that's the fact that I now have channel memberships. So if you don't know what channel memberships are, they're basically a really fun way to support me as a creator, but also give you guys some really cool and awesome perks. There is going to be 2 tiers to my channel membership. For 99 cents a month, the Internet Stars membership includes all of these perks. And for $1.99 a month, Internet Icons includes all of these perks plus the previous perks. You're going to get access to exclusive videos and shorts just for you guys when you sign up for this membership, including access to my video podcast, Techno Critic. Now with these memberships, they are totally optional. I'm still going to be giving you guys my 3 videos a month. So this is a really fun way to get extra content out of me and also be able to support my channel. So if you want to sign up, you can sign up with the link down in the description and down below. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to hit that button down below and subscribe subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notifications on whenever I upload a video next. You can also follow me on all the social medias. Links are going to be down in the description down below and also right here. And I shall see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Bye!